Happy December 11th, 2025, beautiful spiritual brothers and sisters. This is the glyphosate guy and also, quote unquote, general of the U.S. Clean Air Force and passive and residual income while you sleep as a pro network marketing coach since 2003 and an HypoChlorous Company affiliate. I want to give you a very short video about a recent success, although it's really nothing to brag about. I mean, the commission earned on this was not even enough for I guess a steak and lobster dinner, or maybe even a few pounds of what is it called, the salad bar there at Whole Foods. But this is proof of a recent sale. Helped a young lady out with $135 worth of some USDA certified organic and Environmental Protection Agency registered line of safe, non-toxic disinfectants and sanitizers that you see here in my HypoChlorous Company affiliate back office. This was a couple days ago, back on December 9th, to Raquel Peters. I am getting the order details, exactly what she ordered. She used my 10% off affiliate code, which is how to die of nothing. As you can see here, the commission on this is just $33.75. Okay, this is her order total. I'm going to get the tracking information and make sure she gets her order ASAP. But I just wanted to share this tiny small success. It's probably my 10th order or so. This is just my spare time, side gig, in addition to some bigger ticket items that I market. But if you are tired of trading time for money, you believe in yourself, want to build your own dreams versus somebody else's, make sure you head on over to my How to Own Your Life document. That is going to be a three-step simple system, but not easy, so you can live the life of your dreams. Okay, this is how I look like. Let me make sure I'm still sharing this. You can visit this with a bunch of financial literacy images and videos by visiting any of these links here, tinyurl.com/I want freedom now, or tinyurl.com/more hammock time. Okay. And also, if you just want to learn more about how you can save on money, possibly in your health at least, and also help the HypoChlorous Company achieve its mission of ridding the world of toxic cleaning chemicals with these game-changing and disruptive line of, again, safe, non-toxic disinfectant sanitizers. That's over 80 times more powerful at destroying germs than straight bleaches. Make sure you visit this document. It's got 35 reasons to become a HypoChlorous Company affiliate or a customer. By visiting any of these links here, tinyurl.com/passive and residual income, or tinyurl.com/disrupt the cleaning industry, or this one that you see there, why join tryhypo. They should all work. Okay. If you have any product or business opportunity questions, just reach out to me here at this landline number, 786-441-2727. And you can view some information by going to linktree/safe sanitizer. To also view their pool flyer. Okay, that's linktr.e/safe sanitizer that you see there. Okay, and this is my full HypoChlorous Company 10% off affiliate link. You can also save 10% by entering either Danny, DANNY, or How to Die of Nothing when you check out on their e-commerce site. That's tryhypo.com. Okay, for faster response, reach out to my HypoChlorous Company affiliate sponsor, Ms. Laurie OR at this information there, 219-789-7180. Okay, take care, everybody. Stay laser focused. Be well. Bye.